Want to change your league logo on ESPN Fantasy Sports? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, open the ESPN Fantasy app. Make sure to log into your account. Now navigate to your team and tap on the My Team option. Once you get here, you want to tap on this eye icon. Here select Edit My Team. Now you have the pencil icon next to your current logo. Go ahead and select that. Now you can either upload from your device or select from the logo pack. If you want it from the logo pack, select the first option. Otherwise, you can upload a photo from your gallery. Now go ahead and select a logo from this. I'm going to select this one. Now select Choose Logo. As you can see, your logo has been successfully changed, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.